A universal tin planting mesh. The mesh must be clean. 183 degrees medium temperature tin paste. The tin paste should be slightly dry. Android CPU chip, to be cleaned. If there is a filter capacitor on the CPU foot, remove it when removing glue, and then coat it with green oil for insulation. Otherwise, it is easy to weld short. Find the right mesh area first. Align nets and chips. The outer row of mesh holes must be aligned along the edge of the chip. Like reballing CPU mentioned earlier. Use tweezers to press the front and wipe the front tin. Press the middle and apply the tin in the middle. Press the tail and brush the tin at the tail. The wiping method is also the same as the CPU reballing. Hold there. Wipe there. Note that pressing and tinning should be lighter, because the middle of the universal net is easier to hollow out. Beginners can appropriately lower the temperature of the airgun. Quick 861 airgun. 330 degrees, airflow 15. The moment the tin melts in a specific area, the airgun immediately evacuated. Change position and blow again. High temperature, high wind, or prolonged heating. It is easy to cause tin stringing at adjacent points. Also, because some tin balls are not regular, the chip is not easy to take out after blowing. Sharpen the tin with a feather blade while it is still hot. If the tin has completely cooled and solidified, then cut it again. It is apt to get the tin spot removed. Repeat the action of blowing and flattening several times. Don't be in a hurry to make a return. A lot of residual tin is still on the chip. Clean with a brush. Look carefully under the microscope. No size point. Then, add the soldering oil and return it to its place. During observation, if a tin ball is too large, cut vertically with a knife. Then blow. Crosscut. Easy to cut off tin ball. If a tin ball that is too small, temporarily fill with tin and then blown into tin balls.